Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. Let's start with the first way of blocking the number, where you can block the number you've got currently saved. So let's open your contact list and find the contact you'd like to block, and tap on it, of course. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block contact. As you can see, your device will show you this information. What is more, this characteristic icon will appear on the photo, which simply means that from now on you will now receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock contact, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist, because the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings. So it does not really matter whether it will be on the recents or the contacts. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter blocked. Now let's tap on the blacklist. And as you can see, this is the number we just blocked from our contacts. It appeared here, which means that the previous option also works. And here all we have to do in order to add the number, we have to tap on this plus icon. And now we can manually enter it and tap on add. And it will immediately appear on the blacklist also. Of course, you can unblock the number just by tapping on this trash bin icon and tapping on remove. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.